Oh man.
Robert, you all right, dude?
Doc just flew at me and just started chewing at me. Started eating my arm.
The duck ate your arm.
Yeah.
Holy crap! All right, hold on. Let me help you out. I think I got some.
I asked you guys for a blood stop for.
This. Yeah. I think that's all I got.
Well, then hurry up and do that.
Hold on. And in here.
Hurts. Hurry up and get the glove on.
Calm down. This is a hard process.
Also a hard process to lose your arm.
Oh, you won't lose your arm. It'll just sting a little. Yeah, about 5 more.
So?
All right, let's. We're gonna give it a little It's gonna sting a lot. Yep. How does that feel?
Oh, feels great.
Alright. We're gonna rub it around. Good. Now we're gonna take some triple antibiotic. Squeeze it. This one stings. It's gonna cool you down. Rub that on there. There you go. Right on that cut. We're gonna take a Band-Aid. A couple of Band-Aids. Always make sure you put gloves on before you treat somebody. Once we cover up this cut, we're gonna go take you and rinse off the other dry blood. Okay, Robert?
Okay.
First, we're gonna get you bandages up on the part you got skin.
Can't feel my hand.
Here. There you go. How's that feel? Go like this a little bit. Squeeze your hands together. Should be good. You know. That's good. You know.
Thanks, Doc.
Yeah, no problem. We're gonna clean this up and you're good to go. Just watch out for your next time, right?
Definitely will. They're vicious.
Yeah. Hey.
Yeah, well,
Glad you broke it up.
you too.
All right. Catch you later, Robert.
Okay.
That's how you treat